So you've learned about CDAP and you want to know how you can access this exciting funding opportunity for your business. You've come to the right place. In this video, you'll gain some of the most sought-after information surrounding this $4 billion federal program. Welcome to Unlocking CDAP Boost Your Business Technology, the guide you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll clarify program eligibility, discuss how the grant, loan, and youth wage subsidy funding works. We'll empower you with tips to get through CDAP account registration smoothly. And most importantly, we'll let you know how to connect with a CDAP digital advisor with a 100% approval rating to help you get your funding requests approved. One important goal of this video is to share some knowledge that our digital advisor has gained. We'll draw from the most common questions and challenges real Canadian businesses like yours have worked through when applying for CDAP funding. Our first step, let's see if your business will be eligible for the Boost Your Business Technology program. If your company has earned between $500,000 to $100 million gross annual revenue in one of the last 3 tax years, has 1 to 499 full-time equivalent employees, is a Canadian-owned corporation or sole proprietorship, and is a for-profit business, you are eligible to register with CDAP. Great. Next, you'll want to understand how to access each CDAP funding opportunity. There are 3 main areas of funding within the Boost Your Business Technology program. The first is a grant of up to $15,000. This grant may be used to cover up to 90% of your advisor consultation fee to plan your digital adoption. There are some important regulations around this critical first step, so we'll go through this in more detail shortly. The next funding opportunity is an interest-free loan between $25,000 to $100,000 to support the implementation of your digital adoption plan. Businesses earning $5 million or more per year may apply for up to $100,000 interest-free. Those earning less than $5 million per year may apply for up to $50,000 interest-free. The third funding opportunity is a youth wage subsidy, which offers up to $7,300 to hire an eligible young person in support of your digital adoption plan. To activate this subsidy, you'll need to hire a young person through a specific employment portal, employ them for 12 weeks consecutively, and for a total of 450 work hours during this time. When these criteria have been met, you can apply to be reimbursed. Many people first hear about CDAP funding from a friend or colleague who tell them about a wonderful $15,000 grant to level up their digital technology. This inspires dreams of getting a $15,000 gift to build a new e-commerce website, upgrade their accounting software, or hire a new digital marketing coordinator. Although all of these are excellent digital adoption upgrade ideas for CDAP, that is not what this initial $15,000 grant can be used for. This grant can only be used to cover the cost of your plan consultation with a CDAP-approved digital advisor. So we'll help you avoid any disappointment by clarifying the proper use of the CDAP grant right now. The best news is all of the digital adoption ideas I mentioned and many more are eligible expenses for the CDAP interest-free loan. So those digital upgrade dreams can come true after all. First, let's break down the payment of the grant. CDAP will pay up to $15,000 for up to 90% of a digital advisor consultation. That means you will need to pay at least 10% of the consultation costs to qualify for funding. For example, if your advisor charges $16,667, the government will reimburse you the maximum $15,000 allowable, and you will cover the remaining $1,667 out of pocket. CDAP wants your business to have a strong plan, supported by a brand-neutral expert. This is why they are paying 90% for you to have a great digital upgrade roadmap. Next, you will register online for a CDAP account to confirm your eligibility and connect with a CDAP-approved digital advisor. We'll empower you with tips to get through CDAP account registration smoothly and how to best ensure a grant approval. Next, you and your advisor will build a digital adoption plan together. Your advisor will know the exact mandatory elements that your CDAP plan must have to meet the requirements of this funding opportunity. Keep in mind, this grant is to pay for the consultation with your advisor. It cannot cover expenses related to implementing new technologies. You will create a budget plan for the software, hardware, and IT support costs required to adopt new business technology. But those expenses would be paid for using your $50,000 to $100,000 interest-free CDAP loan after your grant is received and your loan is approved. Remember, the grant is to help pay for your plan. The loan is to help pay for implementation. When your plan is completed, your digital advisor will provide you with a finalized plan as well as an invoice for the full cost of their consultation. These plan and invoice files will be uploaded by you directly to your CDAP account. From here, CDAP will review your submission and send you a congratulations email when it is approved. And that is when you receive your grant funds. In our experience, approval and funds receipt happens within 30 days of submission. It is important to note, grant kickbacks are strictly prohibited by CDAP. A kickback is a payment that is promised in exchange for preferential treatment. In this case, you pick a digital advisor because they promise to give you back some of the digital adoption grant plan money. This may sound like a good deal at first, but it is actually a breach of conduct on the part of the digital advisor. Businesses that are caught working with digital advisors who provide kickback incentives may be disqualified from the program funding, and the advisors will lose their ability to continue advising for CDAP. Remember, CDAP funding comes from taxpayers, so the government won't be forgiving to those breaking the rules. Your best bet is to work with a policy-conscious advisor who offers a straightforward fee. They should also be completely transparent about their payment structure before you start working together. So, let's say you are interested in these funding opportunities and you're ready to get registered. Great. Here is our must-have list of information in order to get through your CDAP account registration. One of the fastest ways to create your CDAP account is to enter through your personal bank account login. We can say from experience, this method is secure and activated through a reputable data agency. The purpose of this bank partner login is simply to verify the identity of the owner of the business. For this reason, it must be your personal bank account, not your corporate bank account. Using your banking sign-in partner at this step will not share access to your bank balance or any transaction capabilities. Your registration also requires a sign-in through your CRA account. We recommend before applying to CDAP that you do a quick test to ensure you can easily log in and access your CRA account for both your business and personal accounts to ensure a smooth registration. This is a critical step, as CDAP will confirm your business has satisfied the gross annual revenue eligibility rule. You will also need to enter your NAICS code, which is a code to identify your company's industry. CDAP does provide a helpful code search tool, so you can start typing in appropriate industry descriptions and click the most appropriate. But as it can sometimes be tough to categorize your business, we do recommend visiting the NAICS website to preview some possible codes for this step. You'll also need your business number and your company name, spelled exactly as it would be on your CRA business account. Please keep in mind use of punctuation and abbreviation that may be used in your official company name. You can expect the system will disqualify entries that do not match its database. Now for the fun part, getting your grant approved. And that's where our digital advisor team comes in. We have a 100% approval rating. That means every CDAP plan we have provided for our clients has received grant funding. We also have a unique plan development process. We leverage some of the best available business assessment and digital transformation software to put the best-in-class planning processes to work for your business. To give your company the best chance of success with the CDAP program, book a free 30-minute assessment call with our CDAP-approved digital advisor using our online calendar booking tool on our website. Or feel free to start a chat with one of our knowledgeable support reps using our live chat function to the bottom right of our website. We hope this video has answered all your most pressing questions about CDAP Boost Your Business Technology. But if you still have more, just reach out and we'll get you the answers you need. Thanks for watching, and we hope to connect you with this exciting funding opportunity soon.